Hey guys, today we have a white table and we have a lot of cables on the table, including one box. Well, since it's a Christmas season, this video will dedicate to how to do Christmas on solar, especially for areas that you can't exactly reach with extension cords, or you just don't want to have a lot of cords around the yard, or you want to decorate some tree that's natural on your front yard or backyard, or just wrap around a tree or whatever you want to do. You can do it with solar as well, and I have 3 different styles of solar Christmas lights. First one, let's go with the insulated one, or the weatherproof one. I can turn on the light if you guys want to see just before we turn it back off. It looks just like this. It has this amount of wire to hang from, and this is the solar panel that it comes in. Here is the stake where it goes on the ground, and you point it towards the most solar side of the house. And this is the pipe which has the lights inside of it. This one is mostly for areas that will be beat by rain or snow or whatever you have there. And this is the controls for this light. On the back, you have the on and off button, and you have the mode button. You turn on button to turn it on, and the mode button to change the mode of the lights. These lights are not charged right now. Unfortunately, I cannot show you how they look, but I'll show you the next one that is actually charged. And let me just do only that. On the next one, we'll skip the box for now and we'll show you later, is this set here. These are some kind of dragonfly design lights, as you see right here. These are the dragonfly lights. It's the same exact method of work. The stake here with a solar panel on it. You have the turn on and off button. You have the mode button. Let me turn off the light so you can see them better. And let me go to another mode. As you see right here, this is one of the modes. You have different modes. You can make them go in and out slowly, fast, and whatnot. And here it is. And here are the second style of lights. Let me turn them off. And the third style is exactly like these lights here, but without the insulating pipe, which are mostly suggested for porches, especially porches that don't get beat by water, at least if you can. These ones are really nice. There's the stakes here if you want to mount them. And let me turn the light back on so you can see them. They come wrapped in this piece here. As you see, you unwrap it. I think these are around 15 or 20 feet worth of lights here. Here's the solar panel, which I'm gonna unwrap it here in front of you guys. Oh yeah, that felt good. And because I'm gonna use it, probably put it up tomorrow anyway. This exact light is inside this pipe here that for some reason is discharged. Well, these are the ones that we used last year as well. So of course, they're going to be discharged because they've been in the attic. Now, these are going to be all put up outside this year, and plus 2 more that I have on the other side. And the same situation here with the buttons, with the modes and methods and all that. After you charge it for a little bit on the sun, you press the button, and you just leave it like that because daytime, when there is light, you see, if I turn it towards the light, it turns off. So assume this is the sun, the light will turn off itself. If you flip the light with no sun, as you see, the lights are vibrating and turn on and off and do what they're supposed to do. And now let me close this for light and let me turn it back on again. As you see here, you can change the modes and do different modes as well. And these are very beautiful lights, especially when you open them up and make strings and whatnot on trees or what you want to do with. It's very beautiful. And let me turn on this one here too. And it seems that actually I just had to block the light on this one. It's not exactly dead. Okay, my bad. Here's the other light. Let me just block their solar so they don't think there is sun. And these are the Christmas lights that this year you can go solar if you wish so. And yes, I'm part of this economy where energy is exactly skyrocketing, and that might even save you a buck or two. And they're beautiful. You can install them anywhere around your house as long as you like them. And you can find these anywhere on Amazon, eBay, probably even Walmart and Target and whatnot. Just check for solar Christmas lights, and they're absolutely beautiful. There is more varieties, more modes on these, But I'm not gonna go any deeper on this. I just wanted to let you know that, yes, this Christmas, you can go solar and have fun with all models of lights that are available to all of us. And with that said, we'll see you next time, and bye!